Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this prom outfit and dress and impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you can choose only bangs, and for the color, you're going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. Combine it with this hairstyle, make it the same color, and then this one as well, make it the same color, and put on this necklace, make it this color, and also this green color. Okay, and this heels, make it black, and then this item, make it this color, and this ribbon, you're going to select type 2, and then you're going to make it this color and change the material to glitter. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this corset, and for this corset we're going to make it this color for all the selection, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, it's done for the glitter, and then I'm going to go to the skirt area right here and put on this ballerina skirt, and we're going to choose the gold 2, and again we're going to make it the same color and apply glitter. Alright, done. And then I'm going to go to the changing room. From this changing room, I'm going to choose the sleeves, and for the sleeves I'm going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then for the third selection I'm going to make it this color and we're going to make it glitter. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to select the coach item, the Sabrina Carpenter dress, and we're going to apply the same color and then make it glitter. Okay, and then we're going to put on the strawberry dress. We can choose the skirt only and apply the same color, and again we're going to make it glitter. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go back to the coat item and put on this bag, and I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, for the color, just leave it like that. And for the fourth selection, I'm going to make it this green color and make it glitter. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay, you can use this look for the prom theme and dress to impress guys, and you don't need VIP to create this outfit. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!